Hello friends, welcome to Real Time Videos. This real time videos having so many things as per real time scenario. This is especially for Linux classes for the beginners who are really want to know about Linux operating system as a initial level. When I was learning that same thing I am going to explain you all, so that you also aware of that. I am very struggling to get this information from the sources, and I am sharing you with you what is command, what are the opportunities, everything I will be sharing on you by day. And moreover, these videos are about 5 to 10 minutes duration with highly executable commands, and which is helpful. And for basic learners, please just go through this app, YouTube, and keep in touch with this YouTube, so that you and me both, we can share the opportunities as well as the command language. This is only for the basic education purpose, and don't make it as a complicate. And if anything mistakes or anything suggestions, please comment below, so that we also improve in the same. Okay, hope you all understand. This is the introduction part for the Linux classes. So far up to 34 concepts are there. One by one each I will try to complete one topic in a single video with a duration of 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. If anything is more, I will be share like that. I am comfortable in Telugu, but I want to explain in English, so that it is very crispy and very short to get to complete that task. Whether in the Telugu means I want to elaborate everything like that. In English, it is very easy to reach the people. When this topic is good, please be in touch with this YouTube channel, and then you will get the notifications also. Hope you all understand. Thank you for listening all these things. Coming to our topic, this is the VMware workstation. This workstation is about the platform to run a command in a Linux. It's an operating system actually. This is a create new virtual machine, means we have to create like new one, and open a virtual machine means already you have 2-3 means you can go to directly to this and you can open it. Connect to the remote server means you are working in one server, like it is one thing, and you want to connect like any disk option is there, no? Like that. Connect to VMware vCloud Air, that means it is, you are also aware of this. This is the workstation 12 Pro. This is the platform to enter the commands, everything. If you want to know this about this create a new virtual machine, how it is work, please click on this, and I will provide all the links how to. This is the first step. In this first step, first of all, you just touch this only custom and advantage only. This option only you can click. Whether you come, it's a basic knowledge. No, you just mug up the things, or you just concentration on this how to go. After that, if anything struck in the doubt, we will one by one share the details. First of all, this is the first step. This is the second step. This is the workstation 12.0, you can observe here, and this is the workstation fusion, and this is the initial memory required for this 64 GB memory, processor, 10 network adapter, and 8 TB disk. So next it is, this is okay, installation. This is the main thing which I was said. No, I will share the link to you, that browse that. Browsing option is there. Just you want to install this one, then only it is like this. Okay, could not detect your operating system user desk. Okay, it is right. So Linux is the default option. Next is the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 764-bit. Is a location. I am already downloaded this, and you have to download this one. Then only it is having next button. and then number of processor is 1. Like this simple, it is already default. This is the 2 GB. 2 GB is the basic, or 4 GB as per our computer, as per our system, whatever the GB is available. That initial I have 8 GB, but I was kept as a 2 GB only. In that, this is the 2 GB denomination is showing here. Next step is use network address translation NAT. You can not understand why this option is. You can Google it, or you can coming classes you may know that. As per initial, please just follow the which point I am going to touch that everything. Next one, this is LSI logic recommended. So next SCSI recommended. Selected this type. Okay. And selected desk, create a new virtual. We are creating a new virtual machine now. So this is the first option. Okay, see, this is the split multiple files. Its a maximum size is 20 GB. Okay, just see. First of all, you can first of all do it. Next, so next Red Hat finish. Okay. See, you just created this virtual 2 GB memory card, processor 1. You can observe that difference also. You can forward, backward also. You can see forward 20 GB hard disk. You just last step you are doing 20 GB using like NAT. You can Google it also. I said no, like that. Present auto detected, like this is all default. It is coming. See, it is completed now. Now this is the process. This is the virtual machine created. What is the memory required? What are the hard disk required, like that. Because of your project, what are the GBs required? You can put it. It's as per the initially I was taken 20 GB. In the real scenario, TBs, hundreds of TBs to hundreds of TBs are taken. Just for this, power on this virtual machine is the option. You can observe here. That should be touched that, so that this virtual machine will power on that. See, this is the process. VMware is the processing. You can observe this. This is the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.2. No, it is going installing that. Taking it too much time. Wait. It is everyone taking first time. It takes like that only. In automatic boot in 46 seconds. So here below you can see now these are the like this how we are done now, like this procedure already we done. We already created like this. Because of you aware of things, just I tried to doing again as how it is launching, how it is doing. As a clone is there now, it is one of the target. This is Red Hat, means Red Hat it is saying. It is another thing I will going to explain. Red Hat, most of the Red Hat is there now. It is all supporting Red Hat versions. They give more. There is a commercial part only. This is free server, free platform. Within 5 seconds or 4 seconds, it is going to open automatic boot in this. This is the thing. Like please enter and it will begin to installation process. So I am pressing this enter pressure and enter. Just I have done that. That is going like. Again I am going to enter that. Wait for this here. Here can you check that? Checking with 0.11%, like it should be like 100%. Then what is happening? We will check it. This is the initial thing. It takes too much time, but no problem. Just wait for that. This is the process we are creating. Red Hat Enterprises. One tab is there. No, just that was created like a 20 GB hard disk and 2 GB RAM processing, like that. Everything you have taken now. You design like this. This is the platform to work in your companies also. Wherever you go, this 20 GB is there. No, it's maybe terabyte, like that. So much memory is there in our computers, laptops having a less. No, so that's it's a less work only having. How we are not saving anything, just files and some small things. No, so just is sample purpose. No, so it is very enough that memory also. So it is the process going on. For initial process, it is checking and one by one booting like that is happening is going. See starting installer one moment. So it is coming like that. It is a new time. No, it is another time. It is not take too much time like this. It is only first time because you have created one thing. No, see this 20 GB is see this is the process in red. It is a RHEL means Red Hat Enterprise Linux is a 7.2 version. In this, it is so many versions are there. Now it is currently working. You have to press here English as United States and continue. Continue option is there. No, see here in the screen you can observe that what are the options I am going to press one by one. This is the language. This is the date and time. One by one highlighting is coming. See. This is a normal. This is now it is was highlighted before 2 seconds back. It is not highlighted. You can backward the video and you can observe that date means you have to enter the date button like Kolkata or India something. Touch as Kolkata or India. Okay, Kolkata is there. No, this is the shutdown. Okay, then you have to put. Time is okay, language support English okay, security policy installation source okay, installation source no need to software also done. Install destination this one 20 GB we are taken. No, this one you have to select completed. After this also it is coming like dark, right? So you can observe that. Network host name, this one main important internet we have to put as done. It is a on button, so you have to click on button. Why? Because see it is the IP address showing that. That's the reason it is put as off. Okay, being installed. Root password, this is the main. Yeah, everything you have to do with the root. You if you are a administrator, Linux administrator, you have full rights of reserved for root password, and it is user creation. It is like a user. You have to give permission to there. So you are the creator. So root password means this is root. Root password only. Username is every time is a user only. The password is something. First apply normally. You can put anything. I just kept one normal thing. I kept done. Anything wrong? 1 second. I will check it. Okay, done. You can observe this. Okay, it is going installation. When you observe in the below Red Hat option, you see colors are changing. Installing like that one by one it is going. Root password also you created. New user creation it is in the work profile you can observe this. So we are administrators now. So what are the things we have to do in this? Everything we can observe here only. Configuration is happening, installing some one by one, so many things. 324 by 11 it is going process. Everything is in under process only. Please wait for a moment. It will get all updates and it will be running like Red Hat Enterprises Linux 7 as a VMware workstation. It is the RHEL 7 new version. Platform or everything you can observe this. This is the screen. We are going to work each and everything in this Linux. What are the topics? How we create everything, each file and everything. Without this VMware workstation, we can't run any command. This is the beauty of the operating system, sir. It is like open source. It is free coding. Open coding also free. No need to buy anything. No license version also. It is open source. One of the good thing is that, and it is a very if you are poor in coding or everything, please concentrate on this basic work. It is a Linux operating system. It really depends on the commands only. If you have any doubts or anything requirements, please just press a small command. It will give a lot of information to you in the spot. For example, I will tell all the comments also. If you want a calendar or a date something, so if you want our birthday date, from that onwards, for till now, calendar requirements you have to search in the Google or everything. You have to do some hard work. But here, just simply press the calendar as a CAL, just a small letter. If spelling also not came, also no problem. CAL is the 3-word letter, and keep enter means it will come the data. Like the 3 months are required or how many years required, everything you can do as a simple commands only. So this is the main platform to operate commands and get the information within a short span, and that too very resolution is very accurate also. So please be concentration on this subject and get good knowledge. I am also a beginner and you also a beginner, so we can get the data without thing. I am also not able to tell to you all, but if anything you also got any you have seen any mistakes on us, please try to, from there onwards you can search in the Google, so that you can compare whether it was said correct or not. Everything you can observe in the Google. So as per my knowledge I am sharing. If anything updation or anything wrong, comment or anything you also suggest me, so that I am also learner. No? So I am also get in touch with this. So it is taking too much time. Maybe it takes 20 minutes and the 10 when I am taking sessions. I am also feel bored. This is too much time, but it is happened. See, 324. It's all completed. Performing post installation setup task. It is showing now. It is almost this barcode. This blue line is there now. It is very little time to finish up. So please be patient by doing this procedure for this first time configuring. No, I am already done this, but as per you, I am doing this again. Hope you all understand, and this time should be taken to you also. Hi. You can see that complete option it is showing that, and the reboot is optional. You also observe in this yellow color upside reboot. You can observe this cursor and rotating before that report. You have to touch that. You have to click once again on reboot. So see, you can observe that thing. Now it is going rebooting that. So this is the line is you can observe red hat on this one. If you touch just I am interrupting you. Just if you touch there, what are the see, these are the processing something. Some action is going on now. See, some processing symbol is showing in below the line. So see that what are the process step by step inside what they are doing. That steps are on kernel some processes that also having a one separate class. You come to know that. See this is the screen. When you working in the company also same like this. See root is the username, right? I am given some password never display on this Linux platform in the VMware workstation. So after that enter that. So it is came now. Just clear that screen. CLER is the first command. So clear done. Next ls is the list. See, Anaconda some default files are there. ls hyphen not minus or not dash. This is a hyphen l. It displays total 4 total 4 is showing, right? Like that. It's a June 7 today June only. That date also correct, and time is wrong. As per the system timing it is showing maybe. like this command prompt VMware you have to download and you have to do like this. This is the interface. You can work each and everything. See, you can observe this. This is the small command. Clear means you can clear the screen. You can observe that, right? These are the commands. Now I am using clear. I am using ls like that. So like that, one by one, what command, what it does, everything in the detail I was explain you in each and every. I was selected as a one by one topic, and I will conclude you, and I will tell the clear data to you. This is all interaction, and this is a VMware workstation installation. It is a RHEL Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 basic graphical installation. This is having a minimum requirement is Intel AMD dual core processor and 4 GB RAM and 250 GB hard disk space. It recommended 16 GB RAM or 50 GB hard disk also, no problem. Note that RHEL 7 comes only in 64-bit version only. Minimum partition creation and size for basic installation also, as the root is 20 to 30 GB approximate size required, and a /root requires 500 MB, and a swap also. Swap means it is a twice of RAM. So it is a separate topic is there. Everything we can come to know that. This is only basic just introduction only. Please in touch with, and if this is a channel is first time you are watching, please subscribe, and you will get the notification when I am posted any video to you. Okay, I will try to update as a daily or twice a daily. Okay, I want to know the data, and I will definitely share you with the exact and runnable or executable commands only. I want to practice, and then only I will explain you that. Hope you all understand my intention, and please be in touch with these real-time videos, and please do subscribe, and please share to your friends so that they also get Linux basic beginners. It is all free of cost. It is Linux only open source, and my channel also is open source to you. All are welcome for the beginners, learners. Please come and join us and get the knowledge. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you.